Looking for a 5-room HDB flat in Sengkang that's near MRT, near mall, and near good schools, and more importantly offers you a spacious place? If you're someone who likes to realize your dream home, look no further. This flat, located at Block 236 Compassvale Walk, may just be the right one for you. Hi there, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee AG division. Happy to show you this house today. With more than 1,300 square feet in space, this unit will certainly provide you and your loved ones a very comfortable place to chill. Greeted with soothing and calming greenery view as you return home after a hard days of work, it's easy for you to feel relaxed when you return home. If you'd like to create a study room or a workstation, you can carve out the space here if you wish. As you can see, the living, dining and balcony area offers you more than ample space to chill and have family activities and entertainment in the house. The master bedroom and the 2 common bedrooms are all of good size, which gives you the space for your furniture. In fact, you can also create reading corners in this apartment for different family members to have their own private spaces. A place where great comfort food is served. This kitchen is spacious and has superb ventilation. If you are someone who likes to bake or cook, the space will be fantastic. At the back of the kitchen, there's a relatively deep utility room which can be really great for storage. As you can see, there's minimal built-in in this flat. This gives you the flexibility to furnish according to the requirements of your family. The only built-ins in the living room are the display cabinet and the countertop. So, if you are someone who likes to turn your dream home into reality, the possibilities are endless. The location of this block is within minutes walk from Compassvale Mall, Sengkang MRT, Sengkang Community Club and Kopitiam Square. Untitled Primary School is within 1 kilometer. There are 5 other primary schools within 1 kilometer too. These are Sengkang Primary School, Compassvale Primary School, North Spring Primary School, Rivervale Primary School and North Vista Primary School. Hope you have enjoyed this home tour. This unit is a 5i unit and will be a perfect choice for you if you are looking for spaciousness and in close proximity to the amenities such as MRT, schools and more. If you like this house and would like to find out more, do contact me at 9787-2020. Once again, I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee AG division. I look forward to assisting you in your new home.